G'day guys, Mad Dog here. I was tagged by Shane King to do a EDC pocket thump, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, the stuff I carry with me. I have a wallet. Inside my wallet is a handy dandy little multi-tool that costs barely anything, so that's always there if I need it. Also, little Bic lighter. This little knife, which is legal to carry provided you're not trying to be sneaky with it. Bandana, which is for filtering water or anything you might need. It's not too bad for keeping the wind out of your eyes on a motorbike either. Little fire starter. It's not the best quality, but she gets the job done eventually. My phone. Phone's a handy tool to have. On my car keys, I have a little wind-up crank torch that's solar powered. Just hasn't been in the sun for a while, so also a paracord bracelet with another fire starter thing. Anyway, and a beard comb, because every beard needs a comb. And like Shane, I also have a secondary little kit that's never too far away that I keep on my bike. Right. It's right here under the seat. It's in the form of a bum bag. Now this bum bag has a couple of little carabiners just for the sake of it, I think. In this portion I've got another little wind-up torch, Swiss Army knife, which I bought while in Switzerland as a souvenir. I don't want to even try and work out what I paid for it. Swiss francs are a bit different. Some band-aids, just your standard band-aids. I got a pair of pliers, a lighter. In here, which I don't see in a lot of EDCs, I have painkillers, antihistamines, because I'm terribly allergic to most things, and some anti-inflammatories, as well as a fire lighter, little compass, and a small portion of ShamWow, because ShamWows are awesome. So yeah.